Join me as I dive into the mind-bending question, what happens if a black hole shoots me into another universe? Let us find out together. Black holes are already some of the most terrifying and fascinating objects in the universe. Imagine something so powerful that not even light can escape it. Now here's the twist, what if falling into one does not mean instant destruction, but instead becomes a gateway to another universe? Sounds like pure sci-fi, right? But science has some surprising ideas. Gulp. At the center of a black hole lies what scientists call a singularity. A point of infinite density where the known laws of physics collapse. Many believe that once you cross the event horizon, your fate is sealed. You did be stretched into atoms by an effect known as spaghettification. But here's where theories get interesting. Some physicists suggest black holes could be cosmic portals, connecting our universe to entirely new realities. Think of it like a tunnel, we call it a wormhole. If black holes link to white holes' theoretical opposites that expel matter, then entering a black hole might actually spit you out into another universe with different laws of physics, different galaxies, maybe even another version of yourself. Of course, this is still theory. The brutal gravity of a black hole would likely shred any spaceship or human long before making it through. Yet, mathematically, the possibility exists. Einstein's equations don't forbid the idea of parallel universes connected through black holes. So what if you survive the fall? You might wake up in a universe where time flows differently, where stars burn with colors unseen, or where life forms exist beyond a second chance at existence, hidden on the other side of cosmic darkness. But here's the warning, black holes are still devourers of worlds. For now, they remain mysteries we can only study from afar. Maybe they're not doorways, but deadly traps. Or maybe, just maybe, they're the keys to proving the multiverse is real. So what happens if a black hole shoots you into another universe? Maybe it's not the end, but the beginning of a journey we can only dream of.